Inspiration comes in fleeting moments, so you need to catch it when it passes you by. There are ways to encourage yourself to become motivated, such as reading insightful and inspiring things. Every day, your inner voice becomes louder and clearer. Inspirational moments happen multiple times a day. You just learn to catch them. Now quiet the mind and listen to your inner voice. What is your intuition telling you need to do in your life? Trust your gut feelings. Whatever you are noticing right now, listen. You practice relaxation and calmness in order to hear your inner voice. Access your intuitive mind. What motivates you? Now say to yourself, I learned to trust my instincts. I allow inspiration to come to me. I combine my intuition with my intelligence to make for great action in my life. I listen to my calm and relaxed mind. I am energized by my inspiration. I am motivated to be my best. Breathe in deeply now, and when you breathe out, open your eyes, feeling inspired by your intuition.